Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is going to be a quick video to show you how to use Apple CarPlay in a Volvo. Now this video will work for all Volvos with the tablet entertainment system like this, especially the XC90s, XC60s, XC40s, S90s, S60s, V90s, etc. Everything with the system here. This particular car is a 2019 Volvo S90 and we're going to get straight into it. So for this video, or for this to work, you're going to need an iPhone. So I have an iPhone 15 Pro here. This will work on all compatible iPhones that use Apple CarPlay. You're going to need a USB to iPhone cable. So first thing you're going to do is get your cable and open up your armrest and plug it into the slot with the outline. So in this instance, it's this one here, not that one. So you're going to plug your cable into there. There you go. Now you're going to get your cable and plug it into your phone. Let's open this up and I'll show you how this works. There you go, that's plugged in. You can see now it's starting Apple CarPlay. So you can see here that Apple CarPlay has started. Also at the same time it will be charging your phone. You can see just at the top there, it's charging your phone while Apple CarPlay is connected. You can only have wired Apple CarPlay in a Volvo by default unless you go on Amazon and buy a wired to wireless adapter. I'm going to put the link in the description down below for a good quality one so you can check it out if you don't want wired CarPlay. Okay, so let's get straight into it. If you don't see this screen and it's the first time you're using it, I'll show you how to find Apple CarPlay. You're going to, from the main menu, you're going to swipe to the left and you're going to see all your multimedia options. You're going to see some data here. So you're going to want to click on Apple CarPlay, which is right there, and it will bring you to this screen here. Now for all those of you who have never used Apple CarPlay, like I said, it will only work on an iPhone. So if you have an Android phone, I'm going to do a separate video, which you'll find the link in the description down there, for Android Auto, which is a similar system for Android phones like Samsung's, OnePlus, Huawei's, Sony's, Motorola's, etc. Okay, so this is the app menu for Apple CarPlay. Every app that's on your phone that's compatible with Apple CarPlay will automatically pop up here. Now, depending on your phone's software, your Apple CarPlay may have a different background. If you have the latest iOS, then it will look like this as of today, which is the 19th of March 2024. So you can see here every app that I have on my phone that's compatible with CarPlay automatically pops up here. Now these three icons here are decided by your preferences. So my choice of map is Waze. Because I use Waze a lot, it will pop up at the top there as the map preference. But if I was to click on Apple Maps, you can see it changes to Apple Maps. Also, if I was to go there and click on Google Maps, it will change to Google Maps. Same with music. I have Apple Music that I use. If I was to click on YouTube Music, then that changes to YouTube Music. With phone, I'm pretty sure that's the only thing that you can have, but that goes straight to your phone, and there you go. Messages and WhatsApp messages, you cannot read on the screen, you can only hear. So Siri will read your messages to you and you can reply via Siri only. If you wanted to check it out, you'd have to look at your phone, which I wouldn't advise while you're driving. Now that's how you use Apple CarPlay on a Volvo. This should work all the same. If you're wondering why you've plugged in your iPhone and you have this system and there's no Apple CarPlay showing up here, you need to contact your local Volvo dealer or specialist for them to activate the Apple CarPlay Android Auto features on your system. I do believe they charge. Sometimes they give it as a complimentary if you're supposed to have it and it's been wiped off. However, I do believe they charge for this. Any settings or anything like that for Apple CarPlay, you'll find it in your phone. I'll show you how to get there. So if we go to settings, if we go to general, you'll have am I doing this right? You'll have, if you go to settings, you're gonna see Okay, we're gonna have to do it this way. CarPlay, there you go, general and CarPlay. You can see here, these are the settings. That's my Volvo, and if I want to customize, I can decide what apps from my phone I can take off. For example, I will never use let's say Udemy on my Apple CarPlay. I can just remove that, and that would get removed off my Apple CarPlay. If you have any questions, please feel free to message me or put a comment in the description, in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it helps me a lot with making these videos for you. If you have any other Volvo related questions, let me know, and I'll try my best to get back to you guys. All right, take care.